how to transfer money from CoinMarketCap to Trust Wallet. So whenever you're trying to transfer money or crypto from CoinMarketCap to Trust Wallet, first of all, instead of directly transferring money, because that is like a third-party medium, because Trust Wallet and both CoinMarketCap is not a payment-based application, they are usually used for crypto. So what you can do is actually you can basically go ahead and then link your bank account to both of these CoinMarketCap and Trust Wallet. And once you link your bank account, you can withdraw the money from CoinMarketCap to your bank account and link that bank account on Trust Wallet and deposit the money from your bank account here. So open Trust Wallet, and then you can simply see all of these little options over here, as you can see. And here you can also go to the gear icon and you can see all of your account settings and so on, or here you can go to your wallet. And when you tap on your wallet, you'll actually be able to go ahead and add any sort of cryptocurrencies that you have. You can go to the earn section, discover section, swap section to add anything that you might have, and you can actually deposit money to your Trust Wallet using your bank account. So not a direct way, but indirectly you can definitely go ahead and then add whatever else it is that you're planning to add. So I hope that this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.